guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce background noise in our video. So, first of all, if you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing and pressing the bell icon. So, let's get started. Go to Audacity. So, I already opened Audacity. So, open your Audacity and I already recorded an audio. If you're new to Audacity, kindly click on the link and get the basic stuff. So, I'll play this sample audio I recorded. So, I'm going to play it now.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
As you can see, there are a lot of background noise in my video, audio. So select the background noise you want to remove and go to effect. If you are not able to select, click on the selection tool and select the noise you want to select. So go to effect and go to noise reduction. So what you need to do is, you will get two steps. First step, you ignore now, and teach you later. Step 2 is the main thing what you need to do. It has three options: noise reduction, sensitivity, and frequency smoothin. Both three options will determine how much noise you want to reduce and how much sensitivity you need to reduce. So basic steps will be the best option it will be there. If you are not sure what to do, don't click anything and get noise smoothin. And select the whole audio and go to effect and repeat the noise reduction command. So then click OK. Whatever you need to do, click OK. Now you can see the waves are reduced in my audio. So I'll play it and show it to you.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
As you can see, there is a minor background noise still in my audio. So what I'm going to do is select the audio again where I'm seeing the background noise and go to the same step. I'm going to repeat again. So repeat the same step until you are satisfied with your background noise. So go again to noise reduction and click OK. Now I'm going to play it again.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
You can see noise has been reduced much more. So if you are not sure how to check, select it and play. If you are thinking that is a
Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
So, but I am still seeing some waves here. So what you can do? If you have already done the same waves, what you can do is select this audio and go to repeat noise reduction effect, repeat noise reduction. If you do this, the same way pattern will be done. So same waves will be reduced. So make sure if you are not reducing your own volume. So play it and see.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
So you can see there are no background noise in my audio. So this is how you do it. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly consider subscribing and pressing the bell icon. Thank you guys.